Hello, good evening, and I'm Mohammed Ashik Khan. Just thought of doing a different video on O-level mathematics, just to discuss some questions which will be beneficial to the students who would appear for 2021 O-level paper. And I'm now today picking one question on Western Province first term. This is the paper I'm picking. The Western Province first term, part A. Like to discuss this question 2. Question 2 of the part A. That will benefit the students. And question 2 as well as question 3. Let's go through question 2. Why I pick the question 2 is that this is all about this rent rates and interest and all that. Sometimes the approach given to students for these questions are slightly cumbersome. So just thought of make the matter simple. A certain urban council charges annual rates of 12% from a house of assessed annual value of 50,000. So the annual value is 50,000, and then the house owner rented this house for a monthly rental of 10,000. Rented the house for rupees 10,000 per month. So let's calculate the annual rental income. Annual rental income will be 10,000 into 12, which is 120,000 rupees. Now what they say is that, let's read the question now. Taking the annual rent money at once. So the house owner received all the rent money in advance. From that money, he paid the annual rates. So let's work out the annual rates, how much. Annual rates 50,000 into 12%. So 50,000 into 12 over 100. So that is 500 into 12. So that will be, if you 12 into 500, 0, 0, 22, 10. So that comes to 6,000. So the annual rent, annual rates 6,000. Then also they say, and he paid annual rates and he spent rupees 15,000 for annual maintenance of the house. So annual maintenance is 15,000. Therefore, total payment is 6,000 plus 15,000, which is 21,000. Therefore, he received rent income 120, and then he paid expenses 21,000. So then the balance will be 9 99,000 is the balance. So that is the balance amount that is having in his hands. Now what they say? He deposited the remaining amount in a bank which pays an annual simple interest of 10%. So deposits this money at 10% simple interest. So when he is depositing at 10% simple interest, then we will calculate the interest income. I is equal to, all of us know there is an equation, PTR over 100. So P is equal to 99,000, and they say this is for 1 year, end of the year, yes. So T is equal to 1 and the R is equal to 10%. Therefore, I will be 99,000 into 10% into 1 over 100. Actually, you don't need to use the percentage here. So, accordingly, you would have 9,900. Now, what they want? What is the total amount he received at the end of the year? So, the total amount will be amount is equal to principal plus interest. So, principal is 99,000 and interest is 9,900. So, that will be 108,900. Now the same thing we can calculate in a slightly different way. We have a different equation. A is equal to P into 1 plus T R over 100. Using this, P we know 99,000 into 1 plus 1 into 10 over 100. So 99,000 into 1.1. So if you multiply 99,000 into 1.1, and that will give you 10.1 is 9,900 plus 1 is 99,000. So therefore 108,900. I believe this question is very clear for all of you. This is question number 2. Question number 2 from the Western Department of Education, Western Province, and the paper 2, part A. Now we will move on to question number 3 and discuss that as well. But they say in question number 3, a class teacher distributed 3 pens for each boy in the class and 5 pens for each girl in the class. The number of boys in the class is 5 less than the 3 times the number of girls. The total number of pens distributed were 153. By taking the number of boys in the class as X and the number of girls in the class as Y, build up a pair of simultaneous equations, solve the pair of equations and find the number of boys and the number of girls in the class. So, as the question says, number of boys is X, number of girls is Y. They say that the number of boys in the class is 5 less than the 3 times of the number of girls. The number of boys in the class is 5 less than 3 times of the girls. 5 less than the 3 times of the girls. And they also given a class teacher distributed 3 pens for boys. So 3x for boys and 5y for girls is equal to so the total number of pens amounts to be 153. Total number of pens amounts to be 153. So equation number 1, equation number 2. So let's simplify. X minus 3y is equal to minus 5. 3x plus 5y is equal to 153. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now what we do is equation number 1 into 3. 3x minus 9y is equal to minus 15. 3x plus 5y is equal to 153. Now let me number this equation number 3 and this is number 2. So now what we do is equation number 3 minus equation number 2. So these two will be get rid of. So minus 9y minus 5y is equal to minus 15 minus 153. So that is minus 14y is equal to 167. Therefore minus y is equal to right. No, there is a mistake here. Minus 168. So y is equal to minus 168 divided by minus 14. You get 12. So number of girls 12. So how much is boys? X minus 3y is equal to minus 5. X minus 3 into 12 is equal to minus 5. So therefore x is equal to minus 5 plus 36. So x is equal to 31. So now we will substitute this in the second equation to find out whether that is correct. What is the second equation? 3x. The second equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 153. So 3 into 31 plus 5 into 12. Let's find out. So the 3 into 31, that is 93, plus 5 into 12, that is 60. Then the total comes to 153. So that we have got with that answer, that is correct. So with that, thank you very much for watching this, and I will share time to time some more videos on these similar question to help the students who are on carrying out their studies for O-level maths. Thanks for watching.